When does the connection between the content we teach and the real world get lost? And more importantly, should it? Shouldn't our classrooms be reflections of the real world, one in which our students will participate as global citizens? If you think they should, come along to my session for the British Council World Teachers' Day on Thursday the 5th of October. My name is Michelle Worgan and I'm giving a session called Fostering Real-World Learning Through Inquiry in the Young Learner Classroom. We'll look at an approach that allows us to connect the language our students learn with the world around them, where the language is meaningful and has a real purpose. An engaging approach based on active learning which fosters real-world skills and knowledge. An approach that extends the natural curiosity and subsequent learning opportunities that children have. Before you attend, I'd like you to think about the following two questions. What things are your students interested in? And what real-world topics could you explore with your students? Make two lists and see how similar or different they are. I'll see you at the World Teachers' Day event on the 5th of October.